What's up everyone? So I made a video about commercial lending and what is it, but I forgot to tell you how to find commercial lending. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click this video right here. And today we're going to talk about how to find commercial lending and how to be successful with commercial lenders. Some of the best ways to find commercial lending are 1, conferences, 2, Google, and 3, just networking with fellow investors and going to your local real estate clubs, groups, and meetings. So let's talk about Google. Using Google, you can find a bunch of commercial lenders, local, national, all over, all different types. Now this is going to be the hardest way to really get your foot in the door because you don't know them, they don't know you. You're getting the most general cookie cutter box lending terms that you can get. They will lend to anyone as long as you follow the criteria and the guidelines. All you do is go into Google, you maybe type in commercial lenders near me, national lenders, things like that, and people will start to pop up. Now this is a good way to start understanding what criteria they're looking for, learn the lingo, walk the walk, talk the talk, things like that. As I said, remember, this is basically like cold calling. You're a stranger. You have to build that communication with them over time. And over time, talking to these different people, you're going to have better acumen. You're going to learn more about what you're doing, how you're doing it. Over time, this can be successful. Number 2 is going to conferences. When you go to conferences, you're able to make a little more personal relationship with these lenders. And by conferences, I mean real estate conferences or similar. You're able to make a personal relationship with these lenders because they're seeing you now. They're actually there and you're working with a direct person. They see that you're motivated. They know where they met you at. They know you're putting your time, money, and energy into this, and so are they. So now y'all have a common interest because y'all seen in person and y'all both are trying to make a deal happen, and you have that personal relationship now. You can keep up with this person over time, and eventually, y'all can make something happen. The best way to find commercial lenders is through fellow investors. I'm an investor, you're an investor. I'm doing all these deals. I know you're a good person. I know you're doing these deals. I'm going to give you my lender because at the end of the day, we all want to win. We all want to work together and we all want to see each other at the top. The best way to do that is by sharing contractors, sharing lenders, talking, doing masterminds, keeping those conversations going. I found my best lender through a partner that I found at a conference. So I kind of combined everything together over time by doing these steps, and I was able to find the best lender I've been able to use who helped me a lot. Never seen him in person, but we have a personable relationship. The best way to win confidence with these people is consistency. Consistency, due diligence. Show that you want it. Show that you're motivated. Show that you know what you're talking about. And the only way to do that is to get out there, make things happen. You don't have to have 100 houses to obtain commercial lending. They know when someone is taking this serious and when someone isn't. When someone is taking this serious, they're going to be following up. They're going to be sending deals. They're going to be analyzing deals. They're only going to bring in the deals that they know are serious. Following these steps will be a great way to enhance your real estate business and start to find your first few commercial lenders. If you have any questions, just comment below.